Cop jokes. Two girlfriends were speeding down the highway at well over 100 miles per hour. "Hey," asked the brunette at the wheel, "see any cops following us?" The blonde turned around for a long look. "As a matter of fact, I do." "Oh, no," yelled the brunette. "Are his flashers on?" The blonde turned around again. "Yup, nope, yup, nope, yup." Dirty jokes. Mr. Smith's wife has been in a coma for 4 months. The nurses have come to realize that she moves every time they wash her crotch area. The doctors think hard about this. They bring in Mr. Smith and say that they have a good idea. Perhaps if he practices oral sex with her she will wake out of the coma. Mr. Smith would do anything, so he asks for some privacy. He soon rushes out saying, "I think she's choking." Military jokes. A soldier who survived mustard gas and pepper spray is now a seasoned veteran. Jokes about women. A very caring sentence written on the t-shirt of a girl walking on the road. "You are not looking at the road right now, please be careful." Math jokes. Q. Why do you rarely find mathematicians spending time at the beach? A. Because they can divide sin and cosine to get a tan. Little Johnny jokes. Passing an office building late one night, a little Johnny saw a sign that said, €, press bell for night watchman €. He did so, and after several minutes he heard the watchman clomping down the stairs. The old, uniformed man proceeded to unlock first one gate, then another, shut down the alarm system, and finally made his way through the revolving door. €, well, €, he snarled at the kid. €, what do you want? €, I just wanted to know why you can't €, trademark T-ring it for yourself €. Dirty jokes. There was once a lady making a stew for dinner when she found she had no onions, so with no time to waste she raced to the shops, burst in saying, "Could I have some onions please?" The shopkeeper replied, "Sorry lady, we are fresh out of onions." The lady said, "But I really need onions," and gave all the reasons why in one big sentence. The shopkeeper said, "Look lady, I'll put it to you another way," and continued to ask her, "If you take the O from tomato, what do you have?" The lady said, "Tomat." "Yes," said the man. "And if you take the O from potato, what do you have?" The lady said, "Potat." "Yes," said the man behind the counter. "Now if you take the fuck out of onions, what do you have?" "But there's no fuck in onions," said the lady. "Yes," said the man, "that's what I have been trying to tell you." Alcohol jokes. A very inebriated lady walked into a bar shortly before closing time, sat at the bar and ordered, "Bartender, bartender, I would like a martautsy." The bartender brought her a martini, which she drinks in one gulp. "Bartender, I would like another martautsy." Again the bartender brought her a martini. By this time the lady is leaning heavily forward, barely able to hang on. She called, "Bartender, your martautsys are giving me heartburn." Patiently, the bartender came near her and said, "Lady, I am not a bartender, but a bartender, and what you have been drinking is not a martautsy, but a martini, and finally, you do not have heartburn, your tits are hanging in the ashtray." Sex jokes. An old couple returning from Florida crossed the border. The customs agent asked the man, "Did you buy anything while in the US?" The man answers, "No." The man's wife asks her husband, "What did he say?" The man tells his wife the agent wants to know if we bought anything. The customs agent asks the man where he is from. The man answers, "Toronto." The man's wife says, "What did he say?" The man tells his wife he wanted to know where we were from. The agent says to the man, "I was in Toronto once, I had the worst sex ever in my life in Toronto." The man's wife says, "What did he say?" The husband tells his wife he thinks he knows you. Dear. Marriage jokes. A woman is standing looking in the bedroom mirror. She is not happy with what she sees and says to her husband, I feel horrible, I look old, fat and ugly. I really need you to pay me a compliment. The husband replies. Your eyesight. Trademark s damn near perfect.